This video will show you how to replace the M.2 solid-state drive in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T14s Gen 7. You'll need a screwdriver kit and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface, use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen the 5 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Lift the cover near the hinges to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Loosen the captive screw on the M.2 solid-state drive bracket. The captive screw does not come out of the bracket. Do not try to remove it. Remove the bracket from the drive. Carefully pull the M.2 solid-state drive from the slot. Insert the M.2 solid-state drive into the slot on the system board. Place the bracket onto the drive. Tighten the captive screw to secure the drive and bracket in place. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten the 5 captive screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as self-repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.